Are you a senior citizen, retired, or planning to retire soon? Then your income may reduce, but your tax planning becomes even more important. So in this video, I will share 11 powerful tax saving tips for retirees and senior citizens that can help you save money and create better income. Point number 1 is tax slab advantage. So if you are a senior citizen, that is aged between 60 to 79, you can get higher exemption, that is 3 lakh instead of 2.5 lakh. And if you are a super senior citizen, that is 80 plus, then even higher exemption, that is 5 lakh. So plan your withdrawals, whether from FD, pension or mutual fund, in such a way that you stay within lower tax brackets. Now point number 2 is use section 80C wisely. Now you can invest up to 1.5 lakh in safe options like senior citizen savings scheme, public provident fund and 5-year tax saver FD. And you can get regular income plus good returns plus tax saving benefit, especially in case of senior citizen savings scheme, which is specially created for you, where you get higher return, that is 8.2%. So point number 3 is you can claim deduction for medical expenses. So if you are a senior citizen, you can claim up to 50,000 under section 80D even if you do not have medical insurance. And now point 4 is that you can claim deduction for serious illness. For diseases like cancer or kidney failure, you can claim up to 1 lakh rupees. And point number 5 is now you can claim deduction for interest income much higher, that is 50,000 instead of 10,000 on interest from FD, saving account, post office schemes. So this is a big benefit if you depend on interest income. And point 6, you need to choose your regime wisely. Old versus new. Old comes with deductions and new comes with lower rates but fewer benefit. So always compare before deciding. Point number 7 is smart withdrawal strategy. Don't just withdraw randomly. Use a combination of pension, SWP from mutual fund, equity mutual fund. After 1 year, these are taxed at lower capital gain tax rate, which is 12.5% instead of slab rate. And point number 8, income splitting. You can reduce tax by investing in your spouse name if they are in lower tax bracket. This will help you in overall family tax saving. And point number 9, capital gains planning. If you sell your property, reinvest in another house or invest in capital gains bonds. So this can help you avoid large tax outflow. And point number 10, standard deductions. Remember, pension is treated as salary under Income Tax Act. So you can get 50,000 standard deduction. And point number 11, that is common mistake which you need to avoid, which is not filing your ITR, ignoring TDS on FD, investing only to save tax, and falling for fake tax-free schemes. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. So after retirement, focus on income, safety and tax efficiency. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe the channel and stay financially aware.